Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to unboxing Enders 3 original 3D printer. So without any delay, let's get started. So this is how the packing looks like. The package looks very secure, damage free. Amazon did a good job here by providing super good materials. Now back to the box. At first there's some paperwork. You can see that contains some user manual and guide for the setup process. You can see this is a guide for the setup. There's a step-by-step setup process for the installation of 3D printer. Now at first, this is an Enders display for 3D printer. This is LED display and rotating knob, as well as it can be clicked. So this is top profile and X-axis profile. The package is divided into two compartments. You can see this one top of the other. This is the base component of 3D printer. XE component. This is Z-axis motor. Power supplier for printer. This tool helps to remove objects that are printed. Z left and Z right axis profile. Some extra filament, nozzle, nozzle cleaner, X-axis mount, left X-axis mount. This is called barrel for filament holder. It can hold the filament. Power cord. Stand for barrel to rotate the filament. It can be mounted to the barrel. This is some of the accessories like scissors, some screws, zip ties, this is belt, and some of the other accessories. These are all the screws. There's different kinds of screws for different parts. This is the material, the filament. These are some nozzles. This is a card reader with a card. They provide 8 GB of memory card. In next video, I will show the assembling of 3D printer. Thank you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.